of a male species. The creeper, oh trees, the creepers are wrapped around you. So the male trees and the female creepers. So this is the amorous combination of the male and female. So they're asking the earth, but they're not just saying, oh, Mother Earth, Krishna walks on you, his feet, Krishna's charan chinna, they're marking your beautiful body. So you must know where Krishna is, because his footprints, his padacharan, Krishna padacharan, or charan, they're on you. Their footprints are there, impressions. But they're not saying that. They're connecting Bhumi, the female, with the male. Who is the male? Varaha. And Varaha and Bhumi, like the gopis have a amorous, intimate man-woman, let's say male-female relationship with Krishna, and so does Mother Earth. So they think, well, Mother Earth, you're not just soil, you're not just a panchabhuta, because we say panchabhut. Panchabhuta means the elements, the earth, water, fire, air, ether, akash, and the vata and akash. In English they say akash is ether, akashvani, ether, sky, sarvagata, all pervading. So these are panchabhut, these are the 5 elements. But they're saying, no, you're not just an element, one of the elements, a dhatu, an element or panchabhut. You're a person, you're a personality, and you're a lover, and you're like us. And who's your lover? The lover of Bhumi is Varaha. Keshavadrita Shuhukaro Rupa. Keshavadrita Suhukaro Rupa. Jaya Jaya Deva Hare. Sukara means the Varaha, of the avatar of Krishna. So then they say, oh Mother Earth, oh Mother Bhumi, what tapa, what austerity did you perform to attain the touch of Keshava's feet? Keshavadrita, Jayadeva Goswami, his song is based on this, which has brought you such great joy that your bodily hairs are standing on end.